And welcome back, Screamers. So I hope you watched method number 1, and now let's go into method number 2. So there are many ways again to turn on these false vocal folds. This is another one. I like this approach. I think it is a super comfortable way of doing it. But again, this could be a little harder maybe for some to do. But I want you to blow up your cheeks with very little air coming out. Okay. And then try to relax your tongue while doing so. Just let it be in the bottom, hanging out, not doing anything. Okay. See them cheeks blow up? Great. So from here, I want you to try to do like a W-U. So like a woo, like in the name Wuhan. Okay. So add a little bit of that chesty voicey thing in there. So kind of like when you hum, okay. So it suddenly turns into this Mongolian throat singing sound again. From there, you can do many things. But however, that is another comfortable way of turning on your false vocal folds. Great. See you in the next one.